Oh, the nights that never happen and the days that don't exist. The information action ratio. The only times that we stop laughing is to breathe or steal a kiss. I can get you on the list with all the clubs, yeah. I can lift you up another semitone. Hello, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com, and today we're making 4 out of 5 by the Arctic Monkeys on the ukulele. So this song is originally for 7 different instruments, and we'll try to make it on a 4-string little ukulele. So it's impossible to fit all the tones that are playing at the same time, but still we can make it sound like the song. I'll show you how to play it in the original key so you can practice with the original recording, but if it's not matching your voice that way, if there are parts of the song that are too high for you to sing or too low to sing, you can go to ukulelecheats.com. You can move the song down or up wherever you need to suit your voice. You can give it a try, but anyway, throughout the whole song we need 12 different chords. Alright, so we need the chord of A minor, then the chord of F, then E minor, then the chord of G, then C minor, and now the interesting chords begin. The first one is C diminished 7, alright, then we have the diminished 7, which is the same, just slide 1 fret down. As strange as it seems to go to D, you have to slide it 1 fret down. Then we have the chord of C minor 7, which is just barring on the 3rd fret. Alright, and then we have the chord of C sharp minor, which is on the G string 1st fret, and all the rest of the strings are on the 4th fret. Then we have the chord of D sharp diminished 7, which you can grab like this. It's coming right after the C sharp minor, so for me it's easier to grab it like this, but usually it can get grabbed 3 frets down and play the same chord with 2 open strings, but for me it's easier like this. Then we need the chord of B, the chord of C sharp minor 6, which is the same C sharp, but on the G string you go on the 3rd fret. Alright, and also for the outro we need the chord of D minor, and finally the chord of C. Okay, so throughout the song we have 5 parts. Let's start with the verse first. It is A minor and F, but you can hear the piano is making this thing. So we'll try to add these notes while playing the A minor and F. Here is it, how it sounds. The string pattern on its own is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, up. Alright, on every other strum, I'm either pressing with the middle finger on the 2nd fret or removing it. So I'm doing it one after another, alright? So it happens that on every strum, I'm doing a different chord. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, And now on F, I'm removing my pointing finger from the E string. All right, and this is used for the intro and also for the verse. One thing that should be mentioned here is that the first verse holds a little bit more on the F before going to the chorus, all right? And the chorus is pretty straightforward. It's just repeating E minor, A minor, F, and G. But the strumming pattern here changes. What I'm doing is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Take it easy for a little while, come and stay with us. It's such an easy flight, cute new places keep on popping up. Alright, and after that, we go to another verse. And after the second verse, we have second chorus. And after the second chorus, we have this beautiful bridge, which have a lot of chords in it, but it just sounds pretty good. So it starts with C minor, and we are doing down, 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 up, a strumming pattern. So here's it, how it sounds. All right, the next part. All right, this one is a little bit tricky. We have plenty of strange chords that probably a lot of you haven't played before. So take it slow, chord by chord, change by change. It is going to be hard at the beginning, but then it will get easier. And this is very satisfying part to play. When you play it, you'll see. Just spend the time and I promise you it will feel good. All right, and after the bridge, we have this after bridge part, which is the transition between the bridge and the outro. And it's only one time in the song, just after the bridge. It's G, E minor, F. But we are doing the strumming pattern 2 times on every chord. And from this point you start counting to 3 in the song, not to 4. It's all repeating 3 bars. And now the outro, which is D minor. Take it easy for a little while. See, come and play with us. And the third time is split between F and D minor. And again from the beginning. So when you connect it, the D minor is 3 times repeated. All right, so we have it twice in the beginning, then twice C, 1 time F, and 1 time D minor. And then from the beginning, twice D minor. I think you got the point, right? All right, that's all you need to know to do the song. Let's do the play along. If you need to slow it down, YouTube have this feature. You can slow down the whole video from the gear right here somewhere. Patreons, you have the tabs for the second ukulele in the PDF that you can download from the Patreon page. There is a link below. Have fun. that was my ukulele tutorial for 4 out of 5 by the Arctic Monkeys. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you really soon.